This is our Jonah story bag. God told Jonah to go to Nineveh, but Jonah didn't really want to go there. In fact, he caught a boat going to Tarshish in the opposite direction. So God sent a storm, and the boat was about to sink when Jonah confessed to the crew that he was the cause of the storm and that he should be thrown overboard to save them and the ship. So the sailors threw him overboard into the sea. The storm stopped, but Jonah sank, and a huge fish swallowed Jonah whole. Jonah was trapped in the belly of the fish for 3 days. Jonah prayed to God that if he saved him, he would go to Nineveh and do as God had asked him. So, after the 3 days, the fish spat Jonah out onto the beach. Jonah kept his promise to God and went to Nineveh and told all the wicked people there to repent of their sins and change their ways. From the king down, everyone repented and wore sackcloth and covered themselves with ashes and wept. They changed their ways, and God forgave them and didn't destroy them or their city. Jonah should have been happy for them, but he wasn't. He sat under the shade of a tree and groaned and complained that God was forgiving the people of Nineveh, and God sent a worm to kill Jonah's tree. That made Jonah even sadder. But God told Jonah, "You care more about your tree than all the people in Nineveh. I want you to love them like I do."